Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need to tell me which journal you mean before I give exact steps. Once done, I can avoid wrong directions and show the single workable route. Make sure to specify whether it is the Hunter's Journal, the Seer/Essence log, or a mod-added item. Also say if your copy is modded versus vanilla. That changes locations and NPCs. Answer these 3 details, and I will give a precise, step-by-step route you can follow immediately. If you tell me your platform and version, I can tailor movement routes, required tools, and boss gates. Once I know if you have Godmaster, Silksong content, or user mods, I will include precise map names and NPC locations. Make sure to add your current progress, early game versus late game, because some journals require specific abilities. After that, I will outline the first tangible action to start obtaining the journal, with exact room names, and finally, tell me how much detail you want so I match pacing and depth. Once you pick quick route, full step-by-step, or speedrun notes, I will produce the corresponding script with room-by-room directions, platform-specific inputs, and required charms. If things go wrong, make sure to include whether you want one troubleshooting tip or a short troubleshooting section. Reply with the 3 choices, and I will deliver the complete 3-slide instructional script immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.